Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how I make this very simple but delicious quinoa salad. For the salad, I used tomatoes, feta cheese, carrot, olives, parsley, and cooked quinoa. Start with prepping the ingredients. Here I'm cutting the parsley and add the rest of the ingredients. Mix it. And top the salad with feta cheese. And there you have it, a simple, nutritious and tasty quinoa salad. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, guys.